Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Xaero's Minimap mod for Minecraft. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, open up any browser. Okay, you're gonna find Xaero's Minimap mod. Hit on enter. Now you're gonna click on the link, which is from CurseForge. Okay, click on it. And here, just click on Files. And go ahead and find the latest one, which is from Fabric. Okay, right here we have 1.21.8. So click on three dots and then click on download file. Wait for it, save it wherever you want. For example, my desktop right here. Hit on save. Here we have it. Now let's go ahead and download our mod loader, which is Fabric. Okay, go ahead to open up a new tab. Now type in Fabric Minecraft. Okay, click on the first search result and go ahead and click on download right here. Once done, click on download, this blue button, save it on your desktop. This is the installer. Now go ahead over to our Fabric API, go to files and download the latest release as well, 1.21.9. Click on three dots and hit on download file. All right, save. Desktop, wait for it. Make sure to download the 121.8 as well. Okay, right here to batch the version of our Xaero's Minimap as well. Okay, save it on your desktop like so. Wait for the process to finish. It's done. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead and close this browser. Okay. Here we have the files. Let's go ahead and find the Fabric installer, just right here. Double click on it. Wait for the installer to load. Now go ahead and select 121.8. Okay. Just hit on install. Wait for it and just hit on OK. Now let's go ahead and run the Minecraft launcher right here. Wait for it to load. And here, go to the top. Make sure that you're under Java Edition, installations right here, and just find a Fabric. Okay, Fabric loader right here. Click on this folder icon. Now go ahead and find mods. Okay, if you don't see mods folder, just go ahead and create one. Right click, new right here, folder, and name it mods. Double click on it. Now we have these two files right here downloaded, right? So all you need to do is just copy these files or mods. Okay, move that in here. Okay, once that's done, you can now go ahead and close this one. Go back to Minecraft launcher. Now in here, just hover your mouse onto the Fabric loader and just hit on play. Okay, I understand, play. Just wait for it. Okay, so you can see here, just wait for the game to load. I'm just going to play the demo right here. And there you have it. As you can see here at the top left, you can go ahead and press Y. Okay, just going to go ahead and maximize this one. Press Y. As you can see here, we have the minimap settings. You can turn this on and off, change the position, like so. Just drag it wherever you want. Okay. Confirm, and some other options as well. Okay, view settings right here. The zoom, opacity, use a slider. All right, lighting, shape, you can choose a circle. As you can see here, it's much better, like so. And that is it. That's how you get Xaero's Minimap for Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.